They say that American children are future of the world. Well, look at this guy. Look at this kid here. Typical American loser. Look at him sleeping in his bed, not getting up for school. In my country, we get up very early in the morning to build school every day before we take class for 19 hours, and we love it. You know what we do not love? Stupid American kids like this one right here. This kid is loser just like all of you. He is loser like Lex Luger. Americans, you are so stupid. Do you know that your father ripped me off green card just to make this stupid video? How stupid is he? He lower percentage of value by 60%. But you will never be able to figure out 60% because you are stupid American loser.